Before starting today's video, make sure that you have already subscribed to our channel and turn on the notification button of the YouTube so that you do not miss any update from our channel.
Hello everyone, this is Chan Shah from 10 Talks. Today I'm going to talk about the Motorola's new smartphones of 2018. So, let's begin. The Moto X5 is said to come with a 5.9-inch 18:9 display with 2160x1080p resolution. It's unclear how its notch will work with Android notification or what Moto's Smart AI may do. The phone will have a grand total of 4 cameras, 2 on each side. Additionally, there isn't a fingerprint reader at the bottom of the device, but we are seeing a new white software button, likely as a means of navigation in the way that Motorola's former front-facing fingerprint reader provided. My guess is that you will be able to choose from the single software button or the traditional on-screen 3-button setup of back, home, and app switcher. Finally, note that the Moto branding of years past has been replaced with the Motorola on the front. Moving on, we have the G6 series, now with the 3D glass on the back. Gone is the all-metal approach of the G5 models. The G6 itself will ship with the Snapdragon 450 chipset on board and a 5.7-inch 18:9 2160x1080p touchscreen. It will come with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 32 or 64 GB of storage. The dual rear cameras have 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel resolution respectively, while a 16 megapixel shooter will be on the front for selfies. The G6 has a 3000 mAh battery. Price-wise, expect the G6 to retail in the US for around $240. The Moto G6 Plus, on the other hand, has a larger 5.93-inch display with the same resolution as its smaller siblings. The cameras seem to be shared between the two, but the Plus model will also have an iteration with 6 GB of RAM. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 630 chipset. The G6 Plus gets 3200 mAh battery and expected to go for $330. Here is a quick overview of both the devices. Motorola's Play series is also back again in 2018. The Moto G6 Play has huge 4000 mAh battery. The G6 Play screen will be 5.7-inch in size with 720p resolution. Fingerprint readers will be the bottom of the screen. Still, we are not sure about the camera and other specs of it. It will be updated soon.